In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through step-by-step guide on how to delete your WhatsApp account in just a few minutes. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome my friends. So let's see how to simply delete your WhatsApp account permanently. The first thing you want to do is to click on WhatsApp to open up the account. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings, then click on account. Next thing you need to do is to click on delete account. Then it takes you to this particular page right here. So at this point here, you can read the instruction of what you are getting. If eventually you delete your account, the account will be deleted from WhatsApp and all your devices. Then your message history will be erased. You will be removed from all your WhatsApp group. Your Google account storage backup will be deleted. Any channel you created will be deleted as well. You can simply change your number instead of deleting your account. For you to do that, just click on change your number. Then to delete your account, you need to confirm the following information: your country, the WhatsApp account number. Once you are done, then simply click on delete your account. It's as simple as that. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can actually delete your WhatsApp account without any stress. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.